Have you had Cracker Barrel's famous hash brown casserole? Well, that's what I'm recreating today. The first thing we're going to do is mix 1.5 cups of sour cream. We're going to go ahead and get our spices mixed in with that. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. And half a teaspoon of paprika. And we can salt and pepper to taste. I think I'm just going to do maybe 1/4 on the salt. And I like a lot of black pepper, so I'll just go in with a teaspoon of pepper. And we might add a little more later. Okay. Okay, that's it for the spices. Now I'm going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup into this mixture. Okay, next we're going to mix this is a 30-ounce bag of shredded hash browns. They were frozen, let them thaw out. And we're going to use a medium, finely chopped onion. Okay, we're going to put in 1 cup of cheese, and this is sharp cheddar. And I'm just kind of guessing on the cheese. And 1 stick of melted butter. Now I'm going to get all of this combined. Let's move this out of the way. Try some cheese. And then I'm just going to add the mixture in with our spices and sour cream and cream of mushroom soup. You could really mix this in any order. Okay, and then we top with 1/2 cup of Colby cheese. And this bakes in a 350 oven for about 45 minutes. Okay, in it goes. Casserole's out of the oven. Looks amazing. Smells amazing. Let's dip it out. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, it's good. I'm not going to be able to stop eating this. It was easy to make. I think I'll just sit down and have a plate of this. If you like Cracker Barrel's hash brown casserole, you will really enjoy this. Thanks, you guys, for joining me on Recreate the Plate.